Kowuok e weche mag doho nyaka Ramogi wadhi ane motenore kod weche mag siasa. Ogai mar ODM Oburu Oginga okwedo kweth maketo piny owacho tesre mowacho ni onge kod ajenda makare mar tero piny Kenya nyime komedo ni kaka jogo manitiere e piny owacho mar Manywanda giseketo kenge mag neno ni gibiro yombo e yiero maduong' mabiro ka bende gikwedo siasa mag dhoudi ka giloso e kinde nyasi mar sidho gedo mar hembko mar Raila Odinga kang'o ka Jaramogi. Oburu omedo ni kweth mobalo kod piny owacho onge kata jachung' mosewuok mar rakore gi jatend piny William Ruto. Jatend migawo mar jolweny Soipan Tuya bende opwoyo IEBC kuom tayo yiero ma Ol Kalou e yo mar adier kod ratiro.
We were left in the broad-based government by our late brother Raila Odinga, and we have not moved out of there. What we know is that we are not shaken by small hiccups like the election in Ol Kalou. That Ol Kalou was like the heavens came down on earth. We had won 9 elections ourselves, 9 by-elections ourselves. So why did we also not jump up to heaven? But we are moving steadily. We are moving steadily because we know who is our enemy and we know who is our friend.
And I'm happy that we are at a point where the IEBC has proven itself to be an institution of integrity. Because against what other people would want to say, that the government was going to interfere with one election or the other, I think all the by-elections that have been run in this country have been credibly free and fair, including the just concluded Ol Kalou by-election. And that confidence in the IEBC is the first greatest step.
I would like to have a special appeal that we hold his hand in his pursuit for the position he is seeking.